Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 Venture Sienna 251 VRB. This rear bathroom floor plan is perfect for those who are looking for a nice big bathroom in a small to mid-sized travel trailer with just enough space for two people. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and of course, check out all of our social media and our website linked in the description below as well. Starting off on the outside, we have .030 gloss armor RV siding, which is about 25% thicker than your typical aluminum siding on an RV. You've got a nice front pass-through storage compartment. And of course, that spare tire in there does not actually go in there. It sits on the back, but we just had to take it off to get it as close to the fence as possible. You've got 4 BAL power stab jacks on this unit, as well as a power tongue jack up front. You've also got 2 20-pound LP tanks with the LP tank cover and your battery rack on the front A-frame. That is also where you'll find your battery disconnect switch too. This thing is super high quality. You've got a BAL NXG hug bolted frame with a heated and enclosed one-piece underbelly, as well as Venture's Weather Shield package, which includes things like your residential fiberglass insulation and the roof, floor, and front wall, and of course your reflective PVC roofing membrane up on top of your roof with a limited lifetime warranty. For running gear, you've got 2 Dexter heavy-duty axles with 15-inch radial tires with Easy Lube hubs, and you've got self-adjusting brakes. This unit also does come pre-wired for a tire pressure monitor system, so if that's something you want to add on, that is an option. And around back, you've got rear camera prep, as well as a ladder to get up on your roof. Heading inside, we'll start in the main living space. You've got really nice interior design in here. Over in the lounge area, you have these nice theater seats with this pop-out outlet, as well as cup holders in that center console. The seats also do come with heat and massage, and of course they recline, so you can lounge at your leisure. Also in the slide box is your sit and slide booth style dinette table. This does fold down into a bed for some extra sleeping space if that is something that you desire, and of course you've got storage underneath there as well. Another nice thing about this slide box is that they are flush floor slides, so you don't have to worry about stubbing your toes getting in and out of that booth. Moving on to the kitchen, you've got a really nice kitchen for this unit. You've got a beautiful stainless steel single basin sink with a high-rise residential faucet, and you've got tons of storage as well. For your kitchen appliances, you have a microwave and oven, a 3-burner stovetop, as well as a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. So this thing will run off of your battery when you're traveling, so you don't have to worry about packing an extra cooler for food and such. Counters throughout the unit are seamless Surfex countertops, so you don't have to worry about water damage in between the seams of your counters. And you've got full extension ball bearing drawer glides on all of your drawers throughout the unit. Moving on from the kitchen, we are stepping into the rear bathroom. This thing is absolutely huge for a unit this size. You've got tons of storage as well. Starting off over at the vanity sink area, you've got 2 mirrors with medicine cabinets behind them. You've got a motion activated light and an outlet below that, as well as a sink and lots of counter space. Again, lots of storage space down below there as well. You've got a porcelain foot flush toilet in this unit. You've got a skylight, a 12-volt exhaust fan. If you think you need more storage, that's perfect because you have an extra little linen closet next to the shower. And of course, a 30 by 36 walk-in shower with a skylight above it to make it feel less dungeon-like. This unit does also come with a tankless water heater, so you can take as long a showers as you want. Moving back out into the living space, you've got your entertainment center next to your monitor panel and your nice large closet when you first walk in that front door. For your entertainment center, you've got a portable JBL Bluetooth speaker, a 40-inch smart TV, and an electric fireplace. Last but not least, we've got your bedroom. This is a queen-size bed in the bedroom. It's your typical RV bedroom storage with a closet ward on either side, as well as overhead storage. For bedside tables, you have these little cubbies back behind there. You've got outlet and USB charging on either side as well. You've got built-in hooks there for coats or towels or things like that, and a nice closet up front as well. So in case you have a lot of clothes, this is a perfect place to put them. Down below that closet, you do have little cubbies there for maybe your shoes and things like that. And if you want to add a TV, you have another TV backer location in the bedroom. And last but not least, your underbed storage for extra space if you need it. You've got a 15K AC in this unit, only one. It is central AC and a 30K BTU furnace. So that was the 2026 Venture Sienna 251 VRB. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you're interested in this unit, make sure to check it out at premierrv.com where it is available. As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.